Well, howdy there, fellow adventurers. Have you ever found yourself lost in the whimsical wonderland of daydreams, pondering the existence of a mystical elixir capable of not only rescuing your receding hairline, but also waltzing into the chambers of your heart, ensuring it stays merry and robust? It might sound like something straight out of a bedtime story, but hold on to your hats, or what's left of them, because we're about to embark on a journey that will make you believe in the magic of science all over again. Get ready to be whisked away into the spellbinding realm of Finasteride. Yes, that very potion your Uncle Joe swears by to keep his locks luscious and his heart singing. Picture this: a world where a humble little pill, often enlisted in the valiant battle against the fearsome dragons of baldness and unruly prostates, has been harboring a secret identity as a steadfast protector of the old ticker. It's as if this tiny tablet has been leading a double life, donning a cape by night and swooping in to save the day for hearts everywhere. Today, we're setting sail on an epic odyssey, peeling back the layers of mystery surrounding Finasteride's unexpected role as a heart's best friend. So, lace up your sneakers, don your detective hats, and brace yourselves for a tale that'll have you on the edge of your seat. Because who would have thought that your Uncle Joe's favorite hair-preserving remedy had a few more tricks up its sleeve than just keeping his mane magnificent? Hold on to your socks, folks, because we're about to embark on a wild ride through the twists and turns of medical marvels and hair-raising adventures. It's time to uncover the truth behind Finasteride clandestine mission to safeguard not only your strands, but also the very core of your being, your heart. So grab your magnifying glasses and prepare to dive headfirst into the enchanting saga of how a humble soldier in the war against baldness transformed into an unexpected hero in the battle for cardiovascular health. Get ready to be amazed, amused, and maybe even a little bit bewildered as we unravel the mysteries of this extraordinary pill. After all, who knew that the key to a happy heart could lie in something as simple as a little blue tablet? The usual suspects: a hair-raising tale of prostate power. Welcome, dear reader, to the enchanting world of Finasteride, affectionately dubbed Propecia or Proscar in the grand saga of health heroes. Picture this: a gallant knight, armed not with swords of steel, but with the mighty tools of science and medicine, bravely battling the fearsome dragons of male-pattern baldness and swollen prostates. This noble warrior has embarked on countless quests, rescuing countless men from the clutches of these ubiquitous yet formidable foes. But just when we thought we had uncovered all the secrets of this champion's arsenal, it unveils a hidden treasure beyond our wildest imaginings. Plot twist: a heart that beats stronger. Prepare to have your mind blown like a dandelion in a hurricane as we uncover a spellbinding revelation unearthed by the intrepid wizards of research at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign. Delving deep into the ancient scrolls of the National Health and Nutrition Examination Survey, spanning the years 2009 to 2016, these scholarly sorcerers made a discovery that shook the very foundations of medical knowledge. Men under the benevolent protection of Finasteride wielded not just a shield against cholesterol, that notorious trickster of arteries and harbinger of heart woes, but a potent defense that even the tiniest denizens of the kingdom, mice included, benefited from. With lower cholesterol levels and reduced liver inflammation, they strolled away from the shadow of atherosclerosis like heroes in a fairy tale. The evidence. Numbers don't lie. Gather round, dear friends, and let us decipher the cryptic language of numbers, for within their folds lie the secrets of this grand mystery. The valiant subjects who pledged their allegiance to Finasteride showcased a marvel that would make even the most seasoned scholars gasp in awe. Their cholesterol levels, on average, plummeted by a staggering 30 points compared to their counterparts who dared not to partake in this follicular crusade. His eyes wide as dinner plates marveled at this twist of fate. Amongst the vast sea of nearly 4,800 souls surveyed, only a brave band of 155 noble men over the age of 50 had taken up the mantle of Finasteride, a discovery rarer than finding a diamond in a haystack. But wait, there's more. A slight snag. Before we crown Finasteride the king of the health castle, let us pause and reflect upon the shadows that linger in the corners of our understanding. The scroll of study, while illuminating, is but a fragment of the grand tapestry of knowledge. The chronicles of these 155 men remain incomplete, their dosage and duration of finasteride use shrouded in mystery like a cloak of invisibility. Like a map with missing pieces, we are reminded that our journey to understanding is far from follicle-free. Looking ahead. What's next? Fear not, dear readers, for the path forward stretches before us like a road paved with promise. The realm of science recognizes the potential for finasteride to don the cape of a heart guardian as too significant to ignore. The clarion call for further exploration reverberates through the hallowed halls of academia and research institutions alike. More trials, more participants, and deeper insights await us on this epic quest. Perhaps, in the not-too-distant future, finasteride will be celebrated not just for its ability to preserve the crowning glory of men or guard against the perils of an enlarged prostate, but as a stalwart defender against the specter of heart disease, proving once and for all that sometimes the greatest heroes are found in the most unexpected of places. And just like that, we're at the end of our wild safari through the jungle of finasteride facts. Phew, what a journey. From battling baldness and taming the unruly beast of an enlarged prostate to moonlighting as a knight in shining armor for our tickers, finasteride has proven to be quite the versatile warrior. It's like discovering your quiet neighbor is actually a superhero, quietly saving the world one pill at a time. Finasteride, this tiny titan, has reminded us that greatness often comes in the most unassuming packages. And who knows what other secrets our everyday heroes hold. 5. Benefits of finasteride. Benefits. Number 1. Treatment for benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Finasteride, available as Proscar, is effective in treating the symptoms and delaying the progression of BPH. It reduces lower urinary tract symptoms such as urinary urgency, weak stream, and frequent nighttime voiding, ultimately lowering the risk of needing prostate surgery. Number 2. Hair loss reversal. Finasteride in 1 mg dosage can temporarily reverse hair loss in men with androgenetic alopecia, male pattern baldness. It has shown to increase hair count significantly over a 5-year study period, with the biggest regrowth typically seen in the first 2 years of treatment. Number 3. Minimal side effects. The drug has been reported to have generally uncommon side effects, with less than 10% of men experiencing sexual dysfunction. Additionally, finasteride does not affect body levels of cortisol, thyroid hormones, cholesterol, or bone mineral density. Number 4. Convenience and safety. Finasteride can be administered with or without meals and does not cause drowsiness. It is available in generic form, making it a cost-effective option for patients. Moreover, no clinically significant interactions have been reported with other medications. Number 5. Maintenance of hair regrowth. To maintain hair regrowth benefits, finasteride tablets must be taken daily. Most men experience the most significant regrowth within the first 2 years of treatment. Regular use is essential to sustain the positive effects on hair growth. So, raise your glasses or your water bottles for a heart-healthy toast to finasteride, the little pill with a heart of gold, proving that sometimes the best things do indeed come in small packages. Keep those peepers peeled, fellow science sleuths, because the world is brimming with mysteries waiting to be solved. Stay hungry for knowledge, keep questioning, and let's continue to be amazed together at the wonders of science. Until our next adventure, keep your hair on, thanks to finasteride, and your heart strong.
Dirty, no, I'm clean, how I'm coming, I can't show no mercy.